Okay, folks, here we go. Adding and subtracting like fractions. You know, and I know, that if we're going to add or subtract fractions, they have to have the exact same denominator. That's why we've been working on trying to find out what the least common multiple is. Because the least common multiple is the least common denominator between the two numbers in the denominator. Okay? Now, this says one night, 77 1/100ths of the moon's visible surface is illuminated. Okay, I'm going to go with that, if you will. The next night, an additional 9 1/100ths is illuminated. What fraction of the moon's visible surface is illuminated on the second night? Fritz, what do you get? 86 1/100ths. Thank you very much. But guys, I want you to think about this for just a second. Not that, I mean, this is the problem that we did, and we did it in our heads. Okay? But I do like thinking about it in these terms. These are percents, yes? You understand that percent used to be two words for every 100 per century, right? There are 100 cents in a dollar, 100 years in a century. Okay? Cent is the prefix meaning 100, and I'm sure that Mr. Piazza may be able to tell you even more about that. Okay? But percent means how many out of 100. Well, the first night it was 77 of the 100 parts, 77%. The second night it was an additional 9 1/100ths, or an additional 9%. And so we just add those together since they are both percents. They both have a denominator of 100. Okay? So, interesting, 86%. We would write that as a decimal, 0.86, just as a little extra knowledge. They didn't want us to do that. And remember, as a percent, we multiply by 100. So we would say, move it two places, and we'd get 86%. That little sign means percent. Okay? Yeah, Zachary.
Couldn't it also be 43 over?
It could be reduced to 43 over 50. Absolutely. And in fact, if we were giving our answer as a fraction, we definitely want it like this. Because we want, anytime we give an answer, a fraction for our answer, we want to give it as a reduced fraction. Okay? All right, guys, this is how easy this is today. Just reminding us, though, that we have to have the same denominator when we're adding and subtracting fractions. Okay, good job, guys. See you at the next example.